Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by heating 1L full-fat milk until tiny bubbles form. This concentrates flavor and helps the custard set. While the milk warms, whisk 3 tablespoon custard powder into 0.5 cup cold milk to make a lump-free slurry. Once the milk is hot, temper the slurry by adding a little hot milk into it, then pour it back slowly. This prevents curdling. Add 4 tablespoons sugar and stir. Make sure to keep medium heat. The goal is smooth incorporation, not rapid boiling. Once the slurry is fully incorporated, reduce heat and simmer for about 3–5 minutes while stirring. This develops body and prevents graininess. You should reach a sauce that coats the back of a spoon. Meanwhile, soak 2 tablespoon basil seeds in 1/2 cup water so they swell and set a gel-like texture. Cook vermicelli or Falooda sev separately per package instructions. Rinse with cold water. Prepare 200 ml chilled milk, mixed with 3 tablespoon rose syrup. You assemble glasses by first spooning cooked vermicelli, then a tablespoon of soaked basil seeds, followed by a splash of rose milk. Once those layers are set, pour chilled custard to fill most of the glass. Top with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or kulfi for richness. Garnish with chopped pistachios and saffron. If the custard appears curdled, don't panic. Strain it, whisk with a little warm milk to smooth, then cool thoroughly before pouring. Serve immediately or lightly chilled.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.